Hello everyone, welcome to Code One, and today I'm going to demonstrate another one AI based project, that is a AI based tumor detection and Q&A chatbot using Python, AI, deep learning, and RAG and RAG. So before demonstrate, let's check about the project detail, what this project is doing and what are the tools and technology we are using. So I will put this link in a description box of this video, so you can directly navigate to this URL and you can check the detail about it. So it's using image classification, tumor segmentations, and Q&A is there. So, if I talk about the features and functionality, it's medical image classification. Like we can upload the images, we can check the results. So, tumor segmentations and AI powered chatbot. And what will be the workflow? We can upload an image. We can upload a image of the disease, and then it will get classified, segmented image, and explanation. It will give some information about it. Okay, and detail of that disease. So let's quickly run the application. So I'm likely dive into my IDE, and this is my IDE, and I'm going to run one command here, this command to run this application. So when I hit enter, it's launch on my browser and you can see it's running. But when you run it first time, or it will take some time to load all the models, all the AI models. So just wait, and meanwhile you can see here it's loading the models, so just wait for a while. And meanwhile, if you need the source code, you can connect us over the WhatsApp and mail, and you can inquiry about it of this. And this is a paid project, so just once you will done the inquiry, we'll share the complete detail with you. Also, we have a remote team that's going to help you to set up the project at your machine. And once the configuration is done, we will give you project in this condition, and after that you need to follow this demo in order to execute this application. And yeah, so when you will hit this command and it will start running. And let me navigate to my Chrome browser. Is it so? This is your home page, and over the home page we have a labeled as a project name. And then we have two functionalities, like we can upload an image of disease, like tumor related images, and it will scan the image, it will identify the disease and highlight the disease information and give some information about it. So I'm going to browse the image first. And other functionality, we can ask any question over here. So let's say it's asking what is glioblastoma, so we can ask this and other information. So let's upload an image, get the data, then we'll check what kind of information it's giving us. So first I'm going to browse the file, and I have some images that is related to this diseases, tumor related images. So I'm going to upload this one first. So it says it's segmentation. The segmentation output, it's highlighting the impacted area, and then it's analyzing the image, generating detail of the image, and classification result. It's saying meningioma, and and we it will get the information about this, and it will display over here. Okay, now you can see it get all the information, and it's showing this thing detail about it. It's reading the message from the models, from the backend models, and getting the information. Let's say now if you want to see anything else about this, so I can ask a question here, what is meningioma? So I can ask here, like, so this is the chatbot where we can talk. So I click on ask, again it's analyzing the image and getting the detailed information about it. So okay, now you can see the result about this, and detailed information we can see here. And yeah, apart from that, we have some fancy options, like into the setting we can change the themes color. Let's say if I want to make it dark, it will display into the dark. To the light, it will display into the light. And we can run on, say, wide mode. Okay, in this mode also we can run it, like here's the options on this. So if I enable the wide mode, it will display into the wide mode as well. Yeah, and We can print the results, so I can click on the print, it will redirect to that, and it will print the complete report like this, images and the detail of it. Yeah, so this all about the application demo, and this is completely AI based project, required a lot of downloads at your machine. So if you have also, you need a heavy configuration at your machine. So make sure before doing inquiry you have all the resources available. Our team will be help you to set up the project at your machine. This is an academic project for the final year college student. They are or the professionals who want to learn and want to develop this kind of application. So these are the for the student, these are the student projects. This is not for a business purpose. So in case you need this source code of it and need a setup, and you want to see how the actual AI projects work and develop, you can connect with the code one over the WhatsApp or mail. Thank you.